The Tom Collins is a classic cocktail that is both refreshing and easy to make. Known for its crisp and tangy flavor, this drink is a favorite among gin lovers. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces gin. Use a good quality gin for better flavor. 1 ounce lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is best. Half an ounce simple syrup. Adjust to taste. Club soda to top, chilled. Ice, enough to fill the glass. Lemon slice and cherry for garnish, optional but recommended. For equipment you will need tall glass, cocktail shaker, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add gin, lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Fill a tall glass with ice. Strain the mixture from the shaker into the glass. Top off the drink with club soda. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lemon slice and a cherry. The Tom Collins drink first appeared in the late 19th century, and is named after a hoax that was popular in New York at the time, where people would tell their friends that a man named Tom Collins was talking about them at a nearby bar.